One of the most common ways to build up your database is by individually creating contacts. So first, log into your HubSpot account. You can see I'm already logged in here. Then click on the CRM button on the top left navigation bar in Contacts. Then top right corner, click on Create Contact. Here, you're going to want to first add an email address. Remember, this is the contact's unique identifier within HubSpot, so you must always enter an email address. Next, add other relevant details such as the first name and the last name. Quick tip is to use the option to edit this form to add or remove fields from your Create Contact form. And then you can see here, I'm just adding a few other details that my company would love to see for our contacts. Finally, when you're ready, click the Create Contact to save it. And just like that, your contact is in the system. That's all for today's video, guys. You have taken the first step to becoming a HubSpot pro, but this is just the start of your journey. If you really want to master contact database management with HubSpot, make sure to check out our blog. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also drop us any questions you have in the comments below. Now, if you feel like you're not seeing the ROI that you were promised from HubSpot, but you honestly just don't have the time to figure everything out, book a free consultation with us now. What we'll do, we're going to review your current setup and then share with you exactly how we've helped other companies like yours to audit, clean up, and then optimize HubSpot. Grab your free consultation using the link in the description now.